As a drivability tech, when you're presented with an intermittent problem such as a misfire without any DTCs, that typically presents a challenge, until now, especially when you're dealing with such a common vehicle like the F-150. Welcome to a Motor Age Service Done Right segment made possible by Snap-on. Today we're checking out the ZEUS Plus by Snap-on and its newly released misfire analysis feature and how it can help you zero in on an intermittent misfire. Now we're addressing this 2013 F-150 equipped with a 3.7 liter V6 to demo this new feature. And although this vehicle has over 100,000 miles and it doesn't have any problems currently, however, I have the ability to cancel a single firing event via a single coilover plug ignition coil to put this feature to the test. So let's get started. The ZEUS Plus from Snap-on is a powerful diagnostic tool with some really great features. Now with the vehicle activated, we'll enter the scan tool and choose the engine controller. Then we'll choose functional tests and special functions. Now on this page here, we've got a number of options, but the two we're going to focus on here is the Misfire Test and Power Balance. So first we're going to go into the Misfire Test, and here we just need to follow the directions. It says set the ignition key on, engine off, and then start the engine, and it will automatically continue. Now on this page, you'll see misfire monitor status enabled. And you need to make sure that it says enabled, or else the computer system will not be able to produce any useful information. So now what we're seeing is the engine live running, engine RPM, and we have the cylinders in firing order, okay? And right now it's not misfiring. You know, we can stab the throttle a couple of times, see if we can get something to happen. But what I normally like to do is go ahead and we'll power brake it and just tip in on the throttle a couple of times and see if we can identify which cylinder is going to be misfiring here. And there you have it. You see number 4. We'll do that one more time. There we go. We've got cylinder 4 identified. From here, you can proceed to zero in on the problem by performing a closer look at the coilover plug and or other items that could be leading to the symptoms, such as scoping out the coil, swapping out the coil with another cylinder to see if the misfire follows, etc. Another area I'd like to take a look at when addressing a misfire is the power balance feature. So here we can go back and we're going to go to the power balance feature and we'll go ahead and start the engine. We'll hit continue. Now here the technician is presented with a histogram graphic along with easy control over each fuel injector, allowing them to see how balanced the power output of each cylinder is. So let's walk through this here. We're going to go and kill injector number 1. We'll see what our drop is. We'll go back to enable, let it stabilize, and then we can go to the next injector. So that would be number 4. And we'll re-enable. And we'll go to the next one. Enable. Go to the next one. Enable. Go to the next one. Enable, stabilize, and we'll go to the last cylinder here. All right, and we'll re-enable. So that's it. As you can see, the Snap-on engineering team has brought forward some valuable features that can now be found in the ZEUS series, Veris Edge, the Triton series, Apollo series, and Solus series scan tools. I hope you found this information useful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and thanks for watching.